Hello and welcome to another Yoga Healing Nature video. This time we'll show you how to attune to the winter season for your yoga practice, working on your kidneys and bladder meridians. So bring yourself to your mat and beginning by kneeling, sitting on your heels. Take a few deep long breaths. As you inhale, lengthen your spine. As you exhale, soften your shoulders. Use this moment to gather your focus and your concentration for your practice. Rub your hands nice and strong. Create a lots of heat in your hands. Bring them to your kidneys. And bring yourself forward to child pose. Allow that heat to transfer to your back, to your kidneys, stimulating them, warming them. And from there, slowly bring your hands under your shoulders and lift yourself up to an all-four position. Warm up your spine by doing a few cat-cow stretches. As you exhale, lift your kidneys nice and high. As you inhale, soften your belly down. Squeeze your belly in as you exhale, lift your spine up. And as you inhale, soften your belly down once again. A few more times. And slowly bring your knees nice and wide, extend the child pose, sitting back on your heels, lengthen your spine nicely. Slowly bring yourself to your downward dog. Take your feet under, lift your hips nice and high, lengthen your spine. Push the floor away from you. And slowly from there step forward with your right foot. Bring your left knee down to the ground, your hips nice and low, lengthen your spine. Take your back foot under, step back to downward dog. Do a little left and right, lengthening the back of your thighs, one at a time. And slowly step forward with your left foot. Right knee to the ground, hips nice and low, lengthen your spine. Step all the way forward to the head of your mat. Inhale up to an horizontal spine, and as you exhale, slide your hands to your ankle, bend forward. Inhale up to your straight spine, and as you exhale, bend forward. A few more times. Step back with your right foot. Bring your hips down, lunging deeply once again, and then step back with your left to downward dog. Bend your knees, chest, chin to the ground as you exhale. Inhale up to baby cobra. Squeeze your legs together, lift up through your back muscles. Bring your hands to the ground, all the way up to downward dog as you exhale. Lift your hips nice and high. Step forward with your right foot. Straighten your left leg. Stretching the back of your thighs, your right thigh nicely. Slowly step forward with your left. Inhale with your straight spine. Exhale, bend forward. Bend your knees, open your arms, inhale all the way up. And as you exhale, bring your hands in front of your chest. Inhale your arms up towards the sky. And as you exhale, bend forward. Inhale up. Exhale, step back with your left foot. Left knee to the ground. Step back with your right, downward dog. Bring your knees, chest, chin to the floor as you exhale. Slide forward to baby cobra as you inhale. Squeeze your legs together. Take your feet under, all the way back to downward dog. Exhale. Step forward with your left foot. Bring your right knee to the ground. Look up. Straighten your front leg. And step forward with your right leg. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, bend your knees, come all the way up. Exhale, bring your hands in front of your chest. Inhale your arms up towards the sky, bend back gently, and as you exhale, bend forward. Inhale, look up to a 90-degree angle, step back with your right foot, left knee to the ground, lunge deeply, step back with your left, downward dog, exhale. Bend your knees, chest, chin to the floor, inhale up to baby cobra. Take your feet under all the way back to downward dog. Step forward with your right foot, left knee to the ground. Look ahead, bring your arms up and create a big arch through your spine. Bring your arms back, look gently up towards the sky. Bring your hands back down to the ground, straighten your front leg and step forward with your left leg. Exhale, bend forward. Bend your knees, open your arms, come all the way up. Exhale, bring your hands in front of your chest. Inhale your arms up towards the sky, bring your hips forward, bend back. As you exhale, bend forward. Inhale, look up. Exhale, step back with your left foot, left knee to the ground, hips down. Step back with your right, downward dog. Bring your knees, chest, chin to the floor as you exhale. Inhale up to baby cobra. Take your feet under, all the way up to downward dog as you exhale. Step forward with your left foot, hips down towards the ground. Inhale your arms up and gently back. As you exhale, bring your hands back to the ground, straighten your front leg, step all the way forward. Inhale up, exhale, bend forward. Bend your knees, open your arms, come up with a straight back. As you exhale, bring your hands in front of your chest. Inhale up with your arms, exhale, bend forward. Inhale up to a 90-degree angle, exhale back with your right leg. With your left leg, all the way back to downward dog. Exhale, knees, chest, chin to the ground. Inhale up to baby cobra. Take your feet under all the way back to downward dog. Step forward with your right foot, left knee to the ground. Inhale your arms up. As you exhale, bring your body weight to your front leg. Lengthen all the way up to warrior 3. Lengthen your heel away from your legs. And slowly bring your hands to the floor and keep the left leg up towards the sky to a standing split. Step your left foot next to your right. Inhale up. Exhale, bend forward. Bend your knees, open your arms, come up with a straight back. Exhale, bring your hands in front of your chest. Inhale your arms up towards the sky, all the way back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale up to 90. Exhale, step back with your left foot, left knee to the ground. Step back with your right to downward dog. Exhale, knees, chest, chin to the ground. Inhale all the way up to baby cobra. Take your feet under, back to downward dog. Exhale. Step forward with your left foot, left knee to the ground. Inhale your arms up. As you exhale, bring yourself over to warrior 3. Lengthen your right heel away from your hands. Bring your hands to the ground, lift your right leg up to standing split. Step your right foot next to your left, inhale up and exhale, bend forward. Take a few forward bends here. Try to lengthen your spine as much as possible. Squeezing your belly in, bend forward. Bend your knees, open your arms, come up to standing, hands in front of your chest. Bring yourself to lie down on the floor with your feet in line with your sitting bones, hands along your body. As you exhale, lift your hips off the ground, from your tailbone all the way up to your shoulders, and as you inhale, roll your spine back. Exhale up with your hips. Inhale, soften back. Exhale up from your tailbone all the way up to your shoulders. And you can lace lock your fingers, press your arms strongly against the ground, lift your hips even higher. You can either stay here or slowly bend your arms to support your hips into a deeper back bend. And if you want to take this a little further, you can slowly bring your hands either side of your ears to full wheel. Lifting your hips up, head on the ground, adjust your hands and lift all the way up to full wheel. Take a few deep breaths here, bring your hips as far up as possible. Slowly bring your shoulders down to the ground and all the way down to the floor. Hug your knees nice and tight against your chest and gently rock left to right, massaging your kidneys against the ground, softening. Roll all the way up. Prepare yourself for your forward bend. Inhale your arms up, and as you exhale, bend forward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, open your elbows out to the side, bend forward. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bend forward. Once again, bend forward. Bring yourself all the way up as you inhale. And slowly lie down against the floor once again. Arms along your body. Slowly bring your feet over your head. Lace lock your fingers. Try to touch your hands against the ground. Bring your heels back. Plow. Bend your elbows to support your hips. And lengthen your legs straight up towards the sky. Breathe normally. Keep your body weight to your hands, to your elbows, and your shoulders. Keep pressing your elbows against the ground. And slowly bring your feet behind your head. Stretching back to plow with your arms towards the ground, your heels lengthening back. Slowly releasing your hands, roll gently all the way back. And bring your hands under your body. Pressing your elbows against the floor, you lift your chest straight up towards the sky, soften your head back to fish. Breathe nicely into your chest. Keep pressing your elbows against the floor. Lift your head up slowly. Release your hands from under your body. Bring the sole of your feet together, your knees out to the side, and allow the weight of your knees, of your legs, to gently soften your hips. Rolling gently to the side. Bring yourself to kneel once again, sitting on your heels. And again, rub your hands to create a lot of heat in your hands. Place them on your kidneys and soften forward to child pose. Do that once more. Create a lot of heat in your hands. Place them on your kidneys. Bend forward. Allow that heat to penetrate deep into your kidneys, softening them. And again, once again. Heat in your hands, place them on your kidneys, soften forward to child. Bring your hands under your shoulders, slowly lift yourself up. Bring your left hand under your right. As you inhale, lengthen your spine. As you exhale, soften your shoulders. Take a few gentle breaths, observing any changes in your body. Thank yourself for your practice. Namaste. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to know a bit more about adapting your yoga practice to the changes of nature, please visit yogahealingnature.com. Thank you.